Hi, my dinos. How's everyone feeling? Aw, I feel amazing that you always tell me how you feel, my dinos. Please don't ever feel that you can't talk to Sharky. Sharky is here for you. Do you want to know how I'm feeling, dinos? Well, sometimes Sharky feels a little pressure from the older sharks. Sharky is always told that he should be angry, scary, and a fast swimmer like the older sharks, but they have it all wrong. Sharky is friendly, happy, and calm. Sometimes Sharky feels imperfect compared to the older sharks. Sometimes it makes Sharky sad and not want to swim. I told my family how I felt, and they told me that it's okay to be whatever I want to be. Sometimes older sharks forget that kid sharks needs to be kids and that it's important to encourage and embrace their mistakes and imperfections. I'm so glad I told my family how I was feeling because it was bothering me so much. Now Sharky feels that he can keep on swimming. I hope my dinos tell their family how they're feeling when they're feeling imperfect. Okay, dinos, just remember there's a link in the bottom button where it says show more to print out the worksheet so we could do it together. And don't worry if you can't print it out, we can do it together. Okay, now that we're ready, let's write our name. Your letters are getting so perfect, dinos. I'm so proud of all of you. Okay, now that we're done writing our name, let's read the directions. It says, help the 3D shape escape from the 2D world. Let's read it one more time. It says, help the 3D shape escape from the 2D world. Today's shape is a triangular prism. First, we are going to color every single different shape a different color. Any color you like, dinos. Let's start with the first one. I'm choosing a light purple for this one. What color did you choose, dinos? Oh, that's amazing. You sure are a superstar, dinos. Don't worry about coloring outside the lines, dinos, because we're going to cut out the shape anyways. Now that we're done coloring the first rectangle, let's color the second rectangle. I'm choosing a dark purple. What color did you choose? Wow, you have such creative ideas, dinos. I could totally see it in your work. Amazing job, dinos. It's coming along nicely. Now let's color the third rectangle. I chose green. Can anyone tell me anything that is the color green? Did someone say a tree? And leaves? And broccoli? Great job, dinos. That's exactly the color. Okay, now let's color the triangles on the sides. I'm coloring it orange. What color did you choose? Oh, wow. That's a great color. Now that we're done coloring the triangle, let's color the other triangle. Just remember, dinos, any color you want. Okay, now that we're done coloring the triangular prism, let's read the directions. It says, cut out the shape and build it using glue or tape. Let's read it one more time. Cut out the shape and build it using glue or tape. We're going to need scissors for this. Do you have scissors, dinos? Make sure you're using safety scissors or else ask your parents to help you cut out the shape. Always remember, dinos, safety first. Okay, now that we're on the right track, the next direction is to fold everywhere that you see that there's a line. Let's start with the tabs first on the side. You're just going to fold it down, okay, dinos? All around. You're going to fold down the triangles as well. Now let's do the other side. Your brain must be working hard. You figured that out so quickly, dinos. You sure are amazing. Now, let's fold the rectangle lines. Okay, now we're folding the last part. You must be so proud of yourselves. Now lay it flat on your hand. And what you're going to do is you're going to fold the tabs right under the triangles, and then you're going to tape. Fold the tabs underneath the triangle and tape. Now we're going to do it on the other side. Remember, put the tabs under the triangle and tape. Now we're going to do the other side. The tab's already in, and now what do? Great job, dinos. We tape it. Okay, now for the opening top, you have to tape it one more time. And there you have it, dinos. Check out your triangular prism. Isn't that amazing? I'm so proud of you. You should be more proud of yourself for doing this. Isn't that cool? Every time you flip it, it's a new color. Great job, dinos. You solved the problem. Isn't that cool how a triangular prism looks? It's so 3D, and I could chomp on it. I can't wait to see you next week, dinos, for a brand new episode. For now, I can't wait to play with my triangular prism. Bye, my dinos.
Hi, everyone. To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here.